Does a TN visa require employer sponsorship? Sarah Wingard here from Wingard Law and Three Amigos Recruiting, and this has got to be the most commonly asked question that I get from employers. Now, in most cases, I answer no, sponsorship is not required. And the reason is because it's all about context. Normally, if an employer is asking about sponsorship, they're familiar with maybe the H-1B or like a perm and EB-3 maybe, where you do need to test, in most cases, you do need to test the labor market, show the Department of Labor that you can't find Americans for the job. And then the DOL is gonna say, okay, well, they're doing these duties, then this is how much you're gonna need to pay. Also things like if it doesn't work out with a worker, on those types of visas, you probably need to pay the worker to go back to their home country. But the TN visa is actually quite different. Now with the TN visa, what is required is a simple letter from the employer that talks a little bit about the company, about what the job duties are going to be for this worker, about how much they're going to be paid, and the length of employment. Now, once the visa is issued and the worker enters the United States to work on that visa, then in most cases, they're going to be an employee at will. And so arguably, the terms of that job can also change once they're up in the United States working. And so this is one of the reasons why normally when I get that question, I say no, TN visa does not require employer sponsorship. Sarah Wingard from Wingard Law and Three Amigos Recruiting, legally recruiting to save you.